This video will detail how to insert the new locking knob on your Shor-Line grooming table. This job will require a 7/16 socket wrench, a 12-inch crescent wrench, vice clamps, and a pair of pliers. Begin by lowering the upright bar into its bottom position. There, remove the lower safety bolt with your 7/16 socket wrench and pliers. With the safety bolt removed, draw the upright bar up and out of the tube lock. Having removed the upright bar, unfasten the large bolt on the underside of the table, holding the rotating arm in place. Gripping the interior side of the pin with your vice clamps, loosen the knob with your pliers by turning it to the left. Once loosened, unfasten the knob and draw out the pin and spring. Insert the new pin into your new spring and insert both from the interior side of the rotating arm. Then, fasten them in place by screwing the new knob to the right. With the new locking knob secure, replace the rotating arm. Careful to keep your washers and bearing in the proper order. Washer, bearing, washer. The rotating arm returned to its proper position. Reinsert the upright bar, dropping it down into its lowest position. Refasten the safety bolt. Draw the upright bar into a position of your choice, and fasten it there by turning the soft touch knob to the right. Thank you for purchasing your Shor-Line grooming table. Since 1927, Shor-Line has taken pride in its quality and customer service. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-444-5787. 1579.